Hi, my name is Mr. Prencis, and I teach advanced placement calculus, AB and BC, as well as geometry. So both of these classes' prime focus is obviously to teach the equivalent of a freshman level calculus course. Calc AB and BC, they're the exact same class, it's just that AB ends a little past the halfway point of where I go with BC. You know, patience, it's hard, so, don't expect to get things right away. Obviously, you're gonna need grit and you're gonna need determination. You need obviously good work habits. This is definitely not the kind of class where, you could just start missing homework assignments and, not paying attention to class. I think it's gonna work out well. Practice is something that's really important. So, your willingness to put the required time is really what this class needs. So I believe in the course catalog, and I could be wrong, so my numbers are all, forgive me, but the idea is to calculus AB, you'll have to have taken, calculus AB, you'll either have to have taken pre-calc honors or regular pre-calculus. And I want to say with the minimum average of either an 80 or an 85. For BC, you have to have taken pre-calc honors. Pre-calculus alone is not enough to qualify for BC, because in pre-calc honors they do some additional topics. And I want to say you need at least a 90 in pre-calc honors. Having said that, we are extremely flexible with those numbers. We've taken students with far lower grade point averages in both the AB and the BC, and we've taken students who didn't take pre-calc honors in BC. Obviously when that happens, we give the students, full disclosure that what they're doing is not what's recommended. However, we've seen enough evidence in the past that sometimes students can be very successful, even if they're coming from, a disadvantaged beginning. This is probably more lecture-based, right? Obviously, I make you do questions and stuff on your own. I ask you to try problems on your own, but it's definitely more lecture-based. There's a ton of content that we have to get through. It kind of takes everything that you've learned in math over the past 12 years and kind of puts it all together. In every math class, you real-world problems, and most of the real-world problems you do in math are the furthest thing from the real world. When you get to calculus, you actually start looking at real-world questions that are actually applicable. Just proving certain theorems. I love proving the fundamental theorem of calculus in both AB and BC. In BC, I love talking about infinite series. There's so many amazing things to talk about with that.